Well, we finally made it to the top. What do you reckon, Sam?
Sick, mate.
Epic spot. Righto, we're back at it. We've driven back out on Moses Rock Road. About to head into the bush and try and correct our mistakes from last week. Find the right spot. We think we found it on the map, so we'll see how we go. Head in. Sam's pretty excited. We've left the car and we've only done a few hundred metres through the bush, but we know we're on the right track now. We can actually see Moses Rock from where we are. We can see the river. We've got a pretty good vantage point. You won't see it from the GoPro, but I'll get the drone out shortly, get some shots on the Olympus and yeah, show you where we are. Walk through the clearing, we can see Moses Rock now. We know we're in the right spot. Pretty awesome. We've got 100 metres to go to get out onto the pinnacle, but we've stopped here and took a few photos. This is a pretty magical vantage point here, overlooking Moses Rock there and down over the Nymboida. GoPro died. I should have charged it up last night, but yeah, we finally made it. There's Sam up the top there. Can have a look around here. The Nymboida River down in the background there. There's some unbelievable rock formations around here, so we're going to spend a bit of time and climb around, get some few photos and check it all out. Righto. I'm going to climb this last little peak, catch up with Sam at the top there.
Laugh the pipe, bud.
Oh, here we go. We thought climbing out onto this peak would make for some good photos, and as I step back off, I noticed it's like a wobbly tooth. It's almost ready to go. Okay, I'm back up and safe now. My palms are still pretty sweaty. But yeah, just climbed out onto that rock there. Hang on, there's a good finger pointing. That rock there. And yeah, she moved. That was so scary. Yeah, look at that though. Sick. Nymboida River. So after getting it wrong last week, it was pretty good to get the right spot and finally be here on Moses Rock. not taking anything away from how special last week's spot was over at Fishback Rock there. That's another amazing view. But we've been sitting here for an hour or so now and just still blown away by this rock formation and where we're sitting. It's truly incredible. So lucky to live in this part of the world. We chickened out last week on the swim, so made a little stop here at Nymboi Creek. Beautiful little campground here. I'll show you around in a sec, but yeah, gonna go and jump in the freezing cold water. Righto guys, that wraps up another awesome day out with Sam. Just had me swim, warmed up again, we're going to head home.